Cosmological arguments begin with the way things are in the world, and use this to infer the existence of God. Although cosmological arguments can be found in the work of Plato, Thomas Aquinas famously set out three versions of them in his Summa Theologica. In this section, we will be considering Aquinas' first way. Aquinas' first argument is based on motion. The idea behind it is that whatever moves must have been moved by something else. Aquinas argued that movement cannot have always been occurring, but must have started at some point and by someone. Aquinas believed that God needed to exist in order for anything to have started moving at all. The idea of things moving requiring a mover can be illustrated with falling dominoes. However, as helpful as this analogy is, it is not quite what Aquinas had in mind. Rather, Aquinas is thinking about how things move from a state of potentiality to actuality. Let's consider what he means by this. This piece of frozen chicken has the potential to become cooked chicken. However, this will only actually happen if the chicken is defrosted and then cooked. Now, this process of a piece of chicken moving from potentially to actually being cooked is occurring because someone is doing this. And until someone does this, we might assume that the chicken would most likely never be cooked. In the same way, Aquinas argued that all things in the world move from a state of potentiality to actuality, but only because there was a first mover who he believed was God.